Your myAT&T account lets you view and pay your bill online, either using the myAT&T app on your smart device or with your browser at att.com. By the way, you can make a quick payment without signing in. Just go to att.com/fastpay. Enter some quick info and your payment is super fast. Now, if you do log into your account using a browser on your mobile device, the navigation and information is the same as the desktop experience, but will look a little different. To view your bill, simply log into your myAT&T account and you'll see a quick view of amount due and due date. To see your bill details, select See My Bill and note the link to either set up or manage autopay. You can pay your bill right here by selecting Make a Payment. Enter the payment amount, the date you want to pay, and select a method of payment. You can select a stored debit or credit card or enter a new one. Or select the Bank tab and choose a stored bank account or enter a new one. Finally, check out the More tab for even more payment options. When you're ready, select the Pay button. That's all there is to it. Explore all the ways you can manage your AT&T account online at att.com/myATT or on the myAT&T app. Thanks for choosing AT&T.